Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here and I have quite the little haul to share with you. Not one, not two, but 7 new eyeshadow palettes that I've ordered recently. This is a collective haul, so I ordered these things over the past several weeks. Some of them came from Beauty Bay and some came from the individual websites of the companies that make these palettes. For the most part, these are all pretty indie brands. There's one BH Cosmetics palette and one Juvia's Place. I don't know if we really count Juvia's Place as indie anymore since it's sold in Ulta, but I'm still gonna call this an indie palette haul because most of these palettes are made by independent brands. I have not touched any of these eyeshadows. They have just been sitting here waiting for me to film this haul. So I'm not gonna do full swatches. I mean, it's 7 palettes, that would take 10 million years, but I really wanna show you the things that I've picked up so that I can hear about what you're interested in. I would love to do dedicated swatch and review videos on any or all of these palettes. So please leave a comment and let me know which ones you're really interested in seeing. If you've seen any of my palette videos, you know that I go super in depth. I do finger and brush swatches for all the shades in a palette, as well as show you a little demo so you can see how they work on the eyes. And sometimes I'll do things like comparisons or price breakdowns where it feels relevant. But today I'm just gonna quickly go through these and show you what I picked up. If you've seen my 9 brands I wanna try in 2019 video, then you will see I'm already checking some of those boxes with this little haul. If you haven't, I will link that down in the description below so you can check that one out after you watch this one. Let's just quickly take a look at these two. These are the palettes from BH Cosmetics and Juvia's Place. I haven't had a ton of luck with BH Cosmetics eyeshadows, but I just thought that this palette looked really interesting. It looks interesting on the inside. I do not like the outer packaging. This is the Royal Affair palette with all these really muted tones and then these little bright pops, like this bright lime green and then this bright coral. It kind of reminds me of like a more interesting version of the Anastasia Sultry palette. But I don't know, we'll see. BH Cosmetics, oh, that actually looks pretty nice. My experience with their shadows hasn't been super wonderful, but these actually feel pretty good. I don't know. Oh, I have a swatch stain on my hand from a ColourPop shadow. Oh. That looks pretty good. They must have stepped up their game. I know a lot of people were talking about the festival one. I never got that one, but I heard a lot of good things about it. So that sort of helped me purchase this one. I don't think this is too expensive either. I don't remember the retail price. I'll put the prices down here at the bottom of the screen, but yeah, I don't know. This is pretty interesting. So let me know if you want to see a video on this one or any of them. I also picked up the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. I have heard so many good things about Juvia's Place eyeshadows that I finally decided to take the plunge. Juvia's Place is a brand that was in my 9 brands I want to try in 2019 video. That is pretty. I love a palette that has a good mixture of neutrals and bright colors. Not a whole ton of mattes in here. Ooh. Those shimmers though. I mean the matte is, well, it looks beautiful on the skin. Wow, okay. All right. So excited to finally be trying Juvia's Place. So many people swear by these palettes. And now I finally get to join the club. Those were the 2 most mainstream brands that I purchased from. Next is the Dreamy palette from Nabla Cosmetics. Nabla is an Italian brand, so I think it's probably more mainstream in Europe and just has that indie vibe in the States since you can't purchase Nabla in any stores here. Wow, this is really pretty. First of all, the packaging on this is beautiful. It feels very luxurious. Constellations, I like it. There's a nice mirror in here. This is pretty neutral. I feel like this shade is showing up as a blue on camera. It really is a purple in person. It just has a blue shift. Ooh, these mattes though. These mattes feel like butter. Wow, this is beautiful. Here's some little swatches. That's that shade that's purple but looks blue. Ooh. These are definitely the best mattes I've touched so far in this haul. I think you can tell in the swatch too that that shade's definitely more of a purple. I can already tell just from touching these shades that I am going to like this palette for sure. This palette is from Blush Tribe. This is the Fall Fusion palette and it is humongous. It is so big. I was not expecting a palette this size. From looking at pictures of this, I thought it was gonna be the same size as this Juvia's Place palette. Look how much bigger this is. The pans in this thing are gigantic. The cover art is so beautiful. I 100% blame this purchase on my dear friend, the Queen of Color, Angelica. She always raves about Blush Tribe, so I knew that I had to try it. Pretty sure that this was also in my brands to try. Whoa mama, these are some gigantic pans. Love these colors, warm and bright. Let's touch a few of them and see how they feel. Try this yellow. Oh, and let's try a shimmer. Wow, those feel really nice. Let's see how they swatch. Oh look, there's Angelica, she's in this palette. There she is. Hey Ange, what's up girl? Ooh, that pink shade is so pretty. The yellow's struggling a little bit, but this shimmer is seriously metallic goodness. I'm pretty sure that this particular palette is limited edition, so I don't know if this is the best one for me to do a dedicated video on because I don't think you can get this anymore. I grabbed it during a restock a couple weeks ago, but if you do order from Blush Tribe, my friend Angelica has an affiliate code with them, so I'm gonna put Angie's affiliate code down in the description box. If you decide to order from Blush Tribe, you can use her discount code. I did when I ordered this, so if you have any favorites from the Blush Tribe brand, please let me know what they are. I definitely want to try some more of these. So big. I wish it was like half the size, but super pretty. Just 3 palettes left. The next one I'm going to talk about is the Heartbreaker palette. This one is from Rincón Cosmetics, and it is a shiny pink rose gold, which you know I love. This has a very similar color scheme to the Dreamy palette from Nabla. Just sort of realizing that now as I'm opening them up at the same time. It's very neutral, got a little purpley pink action happening down here. I am of the opinion that I will never try too many neutrals. Maybe you don't feel the same way and that's fine. I like the size of this, I like the packaging, but let's touch a couple of these shades. I wish there were more mattes. Ooh, maybe I don't. The mattes don't feel that great. Well, that one's better. This one feels a little dry. Try out a couple of these shades here. Got a little sampling. This is the matte that felt a little bit drier. This one felt nicer. That shimmer though. Ooh. Okay, this looks pretty good. I've never heard of this brand before. I've never seen this palette around on Instagram, and pretty much all I do is watch makeup videos on YouTube and look at makeup pictures on Instagram. So I was very intrigued by this. This might be one that I need to do a video on because I haven't heard literally a thing about this brand. So we'll see. We'll see how they do. The last 2 palettes in my haul are from OPV Beauty. This is a UK-based brand. I mean, we love a little hollow action, don't we? So I picked up the Oshun and the Yemoja palettes. These I have heard about just a little bit. Oh no, this one's broken. Dang it. Well, I can't really hold this one up because my Ocean palette is broken. This shade is shattered. Dang it. Alright, well, it's okay. I can repress it. It's fine. Let's just try, let's touch a couple of these shades and see how they feel. Oh, I'm so sad because this palette looks super pretty. Oh, let's just close that. Oh, I'm so sad that's broken. Dang it. Let's see how these swatch. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. That yellow performed a lot better than the yellow from the Blush Tribe palette. It's a bummer that one of those shades is broken, but I think I can fix it. At least it wasn't all the shades, so we'll live. It's fine. Hopefully this one isn't broken too. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Dang it. This one is very broken. I can't even open this up to swatch it. Oh, I'm so sad. I was really, really pumped to try this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. It's just like completely shattered all in there. It looks so, so pretty too. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix this one. I'm gonna close it up. I'm gonna try to work some magic on it, but I don't know if that one's gonna survive or not. So that's it for my indie palette haul. We had a couple of casualties along the way, but overall I'm really excited to try out a bunch of new brands, new formulas, new shades. Please make sure you leave a comment to let me know which palettes you're most interested in seeing dedicated videos on. Let me know what your favorite indie brands are. Have you had any spectacular indie product finds? Let us know in the comments so that we can check out your favorites too. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi, I'm Amanda, and I am addicted to eyeshadow palettes. So today, you're just seeing the goods. Also, I need a makeup wipe, like yesterday. Wow. I'm gonna put her affiliate code down in my description box. It's the race against the battery. Can I finish filming this before my battery dies? We're about to find out. Ooh, that white balance though. Help. Why are these so big? What is with these big, gigantic palettes? Oh, this one came in a box and the other one didn't? That's weird. Beautiful. Win some, you lose some.